At number 10, we have the Beadsland Flatback Crystal Rhinestones Round Gems for Nail Art and Craft Glue Fix in Crystal AB. This pack comes with an impressive 1440 pieces of high-quality, flatback rhinestones in size SS20, measuring 4.6 to 4.8 millimeters. Each rhinestone is crafted from high-quality glass, ensuring perfect cutting and brilliant sparkle for all your creative projects. Whether you're decorating crafts, clothes, nail art, face art, eye makeup, body art, bags, shoes, mobile phones, or tumblers, these rhinestones are versatile and easy to use. Simply apply glue to the surface of your chosen object, stick on the rhinestones, and wait for them to dry. These non-hotfix rhinestones require glue for application, offering endless possibilities for your DIY projects. Add a touch of sparkle to your life with Beadsland Flatback Crystal Rhinestones. At number 9, we present the Berwick 7/8 wide single-face satin ribbon in white, available in a 6-yard roll. This silky, luxurious ribbon is ideal for a variety of uses, from wedding and seasonal decorations to gift wrapping, embroidering, sewing, and more. Crafted from 100% high-quality polyester and made in the USA, this ribbon combines durability with elegance. The 7/8 width and single-face satin finish add a touch of sophistication to any project, making it perfect for all your craft and DIY needs. The ribbon features beautifully stitched edges to prevent fraying, ensuring your creations maintain their polished appearance. Enhance your projects with the Berwick single-face satin ribbon and enjoy the perfect blend of quality and style. Coming in at number 8 is the Friendship Bracelet String, a vibrant collection of 50 skeins of rainbow-colored embroidery floss. This set includes every color you could need: blue, green, red, orange, pink, yellow, gray, black, white, and more, ensuring your creative projects are full of color. Each skein is about 8.75 yards long, providing ample material for various uses. This high-quality cotton floss is flexible, durable, and designed to resist pilling or falling apart, making it perfect for long-term storage and use. Whether you're making friendship bracelets, children's crafts, cross-stitch projects, tassels, or holiday decorations, this embroidery floss is an excellent choice. It's also a fantastic gift for moms, grandmas, friends, and colleagues, and a wonderful way for beginners to enjoy DIY embroidery. Each skein comes with color tags for easy identification and organization, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. Dive into your next project with the Friendship Bracelet String and let your creativity shine. At number 7, we have the Self-Adhesive Dots, a set of 1,000 strong adhesive nylon dots. This package includes 500 hook dots and 500 loop dots, providing a total of 500 pairs for your convenience. Made from high-quality nylon material and hot melt adhesive, these dots offer a strong self-adhesive that is resistant to high temperatures. The waterproof sticky glue ensures they last long and can perform well even in wet environments. These versatile hook and loop dots are compatible with a variety of surfaces, including paper, plastic, glass, leather, and metal, making them perfect for classroom, office, and home use. Designed for ease of use, these dots are easy to peel off from the paper roll, saving you time and effort. They are also reusable and environmentally friendly, making them a practical and sustainable choice for all your adhesive needs. Enhance your organization and crafting projects with the self-adhesive dots, and enjoy the convenience and durability they bring. At number 6, we have the Cricut Everyday Iron on Vinyl, measuring 12 inches by 12 feet in white. This versatile HTV vinyl is perfect for creating personalized DIY projects like a pro, whether for clothing or home decor. Easy to apply with the Cricut Easy Press or any household iron, this vinyl adheres to a variety of surfaces, including wood. It boasts impressive durability, staying intact for more than 50 washes when washed and tumbled dry inside out. The Cricut Everyday Iron on Vinyl comes in a range of colors, allowing you to layer up to 3 sheets for unique, colorful designs. This makes it ideal for a wide array of projects, from personalizing home decor to making stickers for apparel and backpacks. Known for its strong adhesion and high durability, this vinyl ensures quick and accurate application. Cricut supplies are designed to make crafting and DIY projects fun, simple, and quick, helping you fuel your creative fire with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. At number 5, we have the Melsan 1x4 inch hook and loop strips with adhesive, available in a set of 15. These strong adhesive strips provide a convenient solution for fastening lightweight items without the need for holes or screws. The industrial strength of these hook and loop strips makes wall hanging easier, offering a strong adhesive backing to keep your projects secure on various surfaces like glass, plastic, wood, and other flat, clean surfaces. Made from 100% nylon, these fasteners provide a very sticky and strong hold. Their unmatched versatility makes them perfect for hanging small photo frames, remote controls, sticking area rugs, mounting crafts, organizing kitchen or office spaces, managing cables, and educational displays. To use, simply clean the surface of dust or grime, remove the liner from the hook or loop strips, and stick them on. These strips are incredibly useful for home, office, or school organization, providing a hassle-free solution for mounting, hanging, and securing items. Enhance your organization with the reliable Melsan hook and loop strips. At number 4, we have the HeatnBond Hem Iron-On Adhesive in Super Weight, measuring 3/4 inch by 8 yards in white. This iron-on, double-sided adhesive is perfect for easily and permanently hemming garments and home decor without any sewing. Designed for heavier fabrics such as heavy cotton, denim, suede, wool, and corduroy, this super weight adhesive ensures a strong and lasting bond. Use the white adhesive for light-colored fabrics and the black adhesive for dark-colored fabrics. Heat-activated and permanent, this double-sided adhesive creates a clean hem in seconds. Simply iron the hem together for a quick, no-sew solution. Simplify your hemming projects with the reliable HeatnBond Hem Iron-On Adhesive. At number 3, we have the GDMINLO Soft Tape Measure, a versatile and flexible ruler perfect for body measurements, sewing, tailoring, and crafting. With a measuring range of 0 to 60 inches and 0 to 150 centimeters, this tape measure features a centimeter scale on the reverse side, allowing you to measure with precision in either unit. Made from durable, soft plastic material, this white tape measure won't stretch or deform, ensuring consistent and accurate measurements every time. The black markings on the bright white tape are large and easy to read, while the metal tabs on each end prevent fraying and provide a firm measuring surface. This portable and flexible tape measure is ideal for a variety of applications, including body measurements, sewing, tailoring, and measuring any curved surface. Whether you're a seamstress, crafter, or quilter, the GDMINLO Soft Tape Measure is a reliable tool that fits easily in your pocket or backpack, ready to provide precise measurements whenever you need them. At number 2, we have the Coquimbo Sewing Kit, the perfect gift for grandma, mom, friends, or anyone who enjoys sewing. This portable sewing kit includes all the essential tools for basic sewing needs: thread, needles, scissors, buttons, thimbles, measuring tape, threader, seam ripper, safety pins, and more, all neatly packaged and ready for use. Whether you're a beginner or a professional tailor, this simple sewing starter kit has everything you need to handle small repairs on your own, saving you both time and money. The convenient zippered case keeps all sewing accessories securely fastened with elastic bands, making it easy to use whenever you need it. Its compact and lightweight design makes it a travel essential, easily fitting into your handbag or suitcase for emergencies. The Coquimbo Sewing Kit is a thoughtful and useful gift for frequent travelers, mothers, grandmothers, backpackers, and anyone who might need to make quick repairs. Suitable for both men and women, beginners and professionals alike, this kit is something everyone needs in their life. Enjoy the fun of hand sewing with your child, creating beautiful handicrafts, sewing stuffed toys, or making cute pet clothes. The Coquimbo Sewing Kit helps unleash creativity and provides an opportunity for happy family time. Finally, at number 1, we have the HTVRONT HTV Vinyl Rolls Heat Transfer Vinyl in white, measuring 12 inches by 8 feet. This premium quality heat transfer vinyl is designed to save you time with its easy-to-cut, weed, and transfer properties. It's perfect for creating intricate designs that can be heat transferred onto any t-shirt effortlessly. Our HTV vinyl rolls boast great stickiness, adhering seamlessly to fabric and holding up well through multiple wash cycles without fading, peeling, or cracking. For the best results, iron at 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 320 degrees Fahrenheit with mid-pressure for 10 to 15 seconds, then allow to cool for 1 to 2 minutes before peeling off. Your designs will retain their vibrant color even after repeated washes. Widely applicable and eco-friendly, this heat transfer vinyl is perfect for customizing shirts, tote bags, sportswear, aprons, hats, pillows, and more. Suitable for athletic mesh fabrics, cotton, polyester blends, lycra/spandex, and other textiles, our HTV materials are SGS certified and safe to wear. Measuring 12 inches by 8 feet, the HTVRONT HTV vinyl rolls are easy to cut into different sizes for art designs, logos, or letters, and fit perfectly on 12 by 12 inch and 12 by 24 cutting mats. Compatible with all cutting machines, this vinyl makes a great choice for personalizing gifts and custom-made items. Ideal for Christmas, Halloween, anniversaries, and more, this vinyl lets you create fun and personalized t-shirts that your loved ones will adore. If you're not satisfied with our white HTV vinyl, please feel free to contact us. Enhance your creativity with HTVRONT HTV vinyl rolls. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.